Garden Revival. 4 micro-trends transforming home gardening and urban vegetable patches. In 2025, gardening is undergoing a quiet revolution. What was once considered a nostalgic or seasonal pastime is now a dynamic, year-round lifestyle trend. From kitchen countertops to rooftops and balconies, people are rediscovering the power of growing their own food. Not just for sustenance, but for wellness, sustainability, and aesthetic pleasure. In this podcast, we'll explore 4 rising microtrends that are redefining garden and vegetable garden culture, ideal for digital creators and urban dwellers alike. The first big shift is the rise of microgreens and compact edibles. With urban apartments shrinking in size, many green-thumbed enthusiasts are turning to vertical gardens, hydroponic shelves, and stackable containers to grow compact yet nutritious crops like radish shoots, pea sprouts, amaranth, basil, and baby kale. These fast-growing plants can be harvested within a week or 2, offering both visual appeal and health benefits. TikTok and Instagram are flooded with time-lapse videos of these microgreens sprouting dramatically under LED grow lights. The minimal space and fast ROI make this trend ideal for busy professionals and content creators who want to show quick transformations. Growing microgreens also aligns perfectly with 2025's wellness culture. As more people choose homegrown freshness over store-bought produce, they're also aesthetic enough to serve as kitchen decor, blurring the lines between utility and design. Another emerging trend is pollinator-friendly vegetable gardening, which taps into the ecological awareness of today's gardeners. Rather than isolating vegetables in tidy rows, 2025 gardeners are blending flowering herbs and pollinator-attracting plants, such as marigolds, calendula, borage, and lavender, into their vegetable patches. This not only boosts pollination rates and crop yield, but also turns each garden into a mini ecosystem, buzzing with bees, butterflies, and ladybugs. Gardeners are creating layouts that look almost like curated meadows, with tomato vines growing alongside flowering chives and carrots nestled near cosmos. These gardens are not just functional, but painterly and photogenic, ideal for carousel posts and illustrated podcast visuals. The popularity of pollinator corridors and ecological harmony resonates strongly with the sustainability values of younger generations and urban planners alike. The third trend is the explosion of AI-powered smart gardens. In 2025, smart devices have reached the soil. AI-integrated pots and garden kits can now track soil moisture, pH, temperature, and light exposure, adjusting conditions in real time via a smartphone app. These technologies make gardening accessible to complete beginners who may not have time to study soils. Varieties like purple carrots, dragon beans, Romanesco broccoli, and black tomatoes are being reintroduced into gardens across Europe and North America. These unusual vegetables don't just taste different, they look different, making them a gold mine for content creators. Their unique colors and shapes are ideal for stylized illustrations and dramatic poster layouts. Gardeners love sharing the stories behind each seed, connecting their crops to cultural heritage, ancient farming techniques, and personal identity. This trend also intersects with food security movements, as heirloom seeds are often more resilient and adaptable to climate change. As monoculture agriculture faces increasing criticism, these older species are making a strong comeback, both as a political statement and an aesthetic choice. These four trends are shaping the garden and vegetable garden scene in ways that are highly visual, emotionally resonant. Whether it's smart gardens syncing with your smartwatch or a bee pollinating your basil, gardening has never been more connected, personal, or expressive.